Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is video 3 of my series Mechatronics Engineering A Complete Guide. In this video, we are discussing is mechatronics engineering hardware or software. In my previous videos, I have explained what is mechatronics engineering and what are the core subjects involved in it. After understanding the core subjects and the basic definition of mechatronics engineering, most students ask me this question before choosing mechatronics, like, is it hardware, is it software? And honestly, both answers are incomplete because mechatronics engineering is an integrated learning. And in this video, I will clearly explain what people mean by hardware, what they mean by software, and why mechatronics is actually integrated learning. Okay, so first we will begin with the hardware part. What is hardware in mechatronics? So when people say mechatronics is hardware, what they really mean is the physical stuff, the mechanical parts like gears, motors, and structures, and the electronic components like sensors, actuators, circuits. Basically, it's all about how things actually move and work. If we consider a few examples, then they are a robotic arm moving, a conveyor belt running, a motor spinning at a certain speed. This is the mechanical and electrical foundation of any system. But here is the thing, hardware alone cannot decide what to do. A motor doesn't know when to start, a robot doesn't know where to move, a machine doesn't know when to stop. That's where the brain comes in. And then comes the software part. That's the brain. In mechatronics, software is the brain. It includes things like programming, microcontrollers, control algorithms, automation, logics, and sometimes even AI and data processing. Software tells the hardware when to move, how fast to move, what to do based on sensor data. So, yeah, we can say that software is super important. And now you might think, oh, so mechatronics is mostly software. The answer is no, not at all. Software alone can't exist in the real world. Like, if we do not have hardware, software alone cannot do everything. Code can't lift an object, code cannot spin a wheel, code cannot measure temperature without a sensor. So, software needs hardware to actually do something. This is what makes mechatronics unique, and here comes the real answer that it is an integrated learning. It teaches you how hardware is designed, how software controls it, and most importantly, how both work together as one complete system. You don't just study mechanical parts separately or software separately, you study them as a connected system. Exactly how real world engineering works. Okay, so let's talk about few real world examples. First is robotics, which involves mechanical structure, sensors and control software. The second is automated factories, which involves machines, PLC programming and feedback systems. The third is smart vehicles, which again involves mechanical parts, electronics and intelligent software. And none of these work if hardware and software are separate. So if someone asks you, is mechatronics hardware or software? The answer is it is both integrated into one system. That's what mechatronics really is, and that's why it is so exciting and challenging too. By now, I hope by this point you all really understand what mechatronics engineering is, what are the core subjects, and most importantly, what to say if someone asks, is it software or hardware? The answer is integrated learning as explained in this video. Now you know the basic stuff about mechatronics engineering, and that should be clear. This is the foundation because ये तो सबको पता ही होना चाहिए. There should not be any confusion like, is it software, is it hardware, what type of subjects will you get to study. I already told you the subject once, but do check the modules of the college you are applying to, which I mentioned in video 2 as well. And for the next video, we will dive into a really important topic, that is college really enough or do you need extra skills? You know, college will teach you the core subjects, maybe some coding, some electronics, mechanical basics, but is that enough? Because mechatronics is one of those fields that cannot be fully covered in a course. We are That is one of its drawback. We are learning the basics of mechanical, electronics, and all four branches, but we are not mastering anything completely. Well known as the jack of all trades and master of none situation. So, the question, like, is it required to do extra learning, or is the college syllabus enough? This is exactly what we will cover in the video 4, and I'll see you there. For now, thanks for watching it. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and your doubts you can comment down. I'll reply. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.